What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and are interested in learning how to make money online, I share tons of different methods on a regular basis. So please consider subscribing and join the team. And I would appreciate if you could hit the like button at the end of this video if I had provided you any value. So in today's video, I'll be sharing a method in making at least $100 per day. Right? So this method doesn't require any upfront cost. They are doable by anyone that has internet and a phone, right? So without further ado, let's jump into my computer. So you might be wondering, what is the method that I'll be talking about today? So let's have a look. So it's basically becoming an affiliate through Amazon's Audible program here. For those of you that are not familiar with this program, so what it is you get one book per month for a fee of $14.95 after the initial 30 days trial, right? And you could cancel it anytime. And I actually have the service and I very much love it. I do get my one free book every month, and I actually purchase additional books as I need them. So it's pretty amazing if you're into like self-development and whatnot. You can sign up easily. Let's have a look into the plans that they have, right? So we're looking to promote the Premium Plus, right? It goes for $14.95 a month. So listen to Audible Plus catalog, so access a selection of thousands of Audible originals, audiobooks and podcasts, including exclusive series, right? That, and then one title of your choice per month. The premium has that, right? The plus doesn't, obviously, and then you get 30% off all additional premium selection titles if you want, that we are gonna try to promote, right? And go to Audible creator program here. So if you search that in Google, you can easily find that. And then so this is how it works, right? So you would get a link and then drive traffic to that link, which I'll be showing you how to drive traffic in an easy way without even you spending any money on it. And then you would earn commission for anyone that signs up for the free trial plus, and if they actually go on to sign up for the Premium Plus membership. We'll look into the fee structure here. So for the Audible Gold digital membership, so that is the $14.95 membership. So if they are to sign up for the membership, you would get $10, right? So that's healthy profit. And then Audible free trial digital membership, so if they just sign up, right, for the first like 30 days and they decide not to go with the membership, you still get $5. That's amazing, right? So, and then for Audible audiobook, any book that they purchase, you would get 50 cents out of it. So it's pretty amazing way of generating additional income on the side. There is no limit to how many you can sell. It's just you driving traffic to your link. And okay, so this is how the free trial works. So you would get 2 free audiobooks to start, and then after 30 days you would get 1 free book for only $14.95, and then you would receive 30% off any additional purchases. From there on, it can be canceled at any time, like I said earlier, and the members books are theirs to keep, and even if they cancel, right? So it's pretty amazing. Yeah, so they go on to explain what the gold digital membership is, guys. So it's pretty straightforward to sign up. So you just click become an affiliate. You would get a special link, and then so from there you just have to drive traffic to that link. And to do that, I will actually share a perfect example of someone doing this method on Instagram. If you're into the self-development space, you may have came across like pages that just promote and review books and whatnot. So one of them is Mindset Reading. They've got 40,000 followers. So they review books and make recommendation on it, and yeah, and they also promote books, right? So authors would hit the page up, and then they can easily charge however amount that they want to promote new books that are coming out. So let's click into this link here. They are an affiliate through Audible here, so they have their link in the bio obviously, and you could see that you would get 1 free book, 2 if a Prime member. So if you have got an Amazon account and you have the Prime membership, you would get 2. If you don't, then you just get the 1 book upon trial. And yeah, so they are actually doing this exact method that I'm showing you right now, and we've got healthy amount of followers here, 40,000, and you can see the engagements are pretty good. So 1,600 likes here, 38 comments, almost 3,000 likes. Not many people have the time to actually pick up a book and read, so the Audible makes it easier for you to listen any book you want on the go, either if you're driving or if you are out for a jog, whatever you're doing. Audible is amazing. I use it all the time. It's pretty amazing service to promote, and it's definitely easy way of making at least $100 if you are to build a decent page, and then have engaged followers and promote your affiliate link. Doable if you break it down here to make $100 per day, right? So for the free trial, if anyone signs up, you would get $5. So let's say you manage to get 20 people to sign up, right? That's like $100 easily, right? So 5 times 20, that's $100, right, per day. But if you are to promote hard, then you can easily double that or triple that. Of the 20 people that signed up for the free trial, let's say 5 of them become members, and that's like on the lower end, you would easily make $50, right, from that. So there you go, $50 there. Yeah, so of the 5 people that signed up for the gold digital membership, let's say they buy any additional books on top of their free one, you would still get 50 cents, right, per book. So it's pretty amazing. There are many ways of earning $100 through this program here, and it's all about driving traffic to your link.